Hi, it's Grayson,
And Lily.
and we're gonna sing Bruno Mars' "It Will Rain."
Yeah.
Here it goes. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine out the door. Oh, it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what you used to have. You don't have it anymore. There's no reason that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh,
I messed up.
sacrifices that I'm making. Keep you by my side. Walking out the door. No sunlight. If I lose your baby, no clear sky. If I lose your baby, you're just like the clouds. My eyes burn to the same. You walk away every day in the rain, rain, rain.
He did it again.
I'll never be your mother's favorites. That you can't even look me in the eye. If I was in their shoes, I would be doing the same thing. Sitting there in the little girl, troublesome guy, but there's just a flame of something that I can't understand. Oh, but you change them minds. Try. Broken pieces of me that make me my mind. Sunlight, if I lose your baby, there'll be no clear skies. If I lose your baby, you're just like the clouds. My eyes will do the same. You walk away every day in the rain, rain, broken pieces till I'm bleeding. That make you blind. Oh, sunlight, if I lose you, baby, you don't understand. If I lose you, baby, you're just like the clouds. My eyes will do the same. You walk away every day away. Thank you for watching. Okay, and we still want to hear your feedback. Right? Well, why did that go down? So, request songs, please. We're kind of getting low on songs, so. Oh yeah, and about our other video, like I think it was Who Says, we didn't know what was going on at first because it was first time we were doing it. So it kind of was just like, oh, there it is. Oh, no, it's off. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we didn't really understand that part, so that was kind of confusing. So I hope you like it and enjoy.